Do you love Methi Aloo or you are from the camp who loves Aloo Methi? What's the difference, you will say? Think about it and let me know in the comments below. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'm sharing my family's traditional Punjabi Methi Aloo sabzi with you. Heat mustard oil, smoke it well, and then add asafoetida, cumin, ginger, and green chilies. Fry them and then add potatoes. Make sure to keep the peel on but wash them thoroughly. Add salt and cook until tender. I am using purple skin potatoes. You can use regular potatoes as well. Add chili powder, turmeric, and cleaned and chopped methi leaves. Cook everything for 5 minutes and towards the end add chopped tomatoes. Now, just like my nani and mom, I like to finish it with coriander powder and ajwain. Cook it for a few more minutes and then it's ready. Serve with paratha or fulka and enjoy. Also, don't forget to follow for more.